welcome to my channel. My name is Kofi Prince. I'm super excited to be on your screen today. If today is your first time watching me, kindly subscribe, like and share the video. Please don't forget to turn the notification bell so that anytime I post a video you'll be able to get a notification. Okay, so in today's video I'm kind of doing a vlog, day in the life of a trader who sells cars. So follow along with me, let's go. Alright, so I just started my car, waiting for it to hit a bit before I move. Already I prayed and had my quiet time. So I'm on my way. I'm just setting off now, waiting for my car to hit a bit before I move. Just speaking my friend before I move. It's just right here. Speaking him before I go. Let's speak my friend. His name is Morgan. Morgan, can you say hello to me? So we are on our way now. He said he wants to drive so that I can hold the camera and do the video. This morning I'm very fortunate there's no much traffic. Even though I'm late, but there's no much traffic on the road, so I'm able to go to the office very early. You can say that for yourself, that there's no traffic today at all. But then we'll be using shortcuts. There's one shortcut that we normally use, so we'll be using that shortcut, even though there's no traffic on the main road. So this was what was causing the traffic. Somebody's car just broke down. way in Ghana, the fuel is now very, very, very expensive. Very, very, very expensive. 1 liter is almost 14 cedis. A liter is almost 14 cedis. It's very bad. You can't see for yourself. Very, very expensive fuel. So yeah, we are buying fuel before we go. So we don't have fuel in the car. These are some of the cars that we have here. These are some of the cars that we have here. There's a Durango. The other one over there is Southeast. It's a car from China. And there's a Dodge Durango MDX, but this very one is not for sale. And then a Tacoma. These are some of our cars. These are just some of them. So mostly the cars we sell over here. It's a Honda CRV. It's one of the moving cars in Ghana. If you want to invest in cars, I think you should look at getting a Honda CRV because the capacity is low, the engine capacity is low, and then it's a 4x4, which over here in Ghana our roads are not that good. So if you have a car which is a 4x4, it helps. So at least most people buying that one because fuel is expensive, and then that one the capacity is low, and also it's an up car, it's a 4x4. I am inside the Dodge Ram. About to start it. I need to move them forward a bit. Yeah, I need to move them forward a bit. So I'm inside now. This is how the key looks like. Yeah. Okay, so I'm starting it. Ram. And this is how the transmission looks like. Let's go. Okay, so I'm inside the Tacoma. I'm starting it. Forward a bit. Putting the gear on drive. Yes, you can see that over there. Let me release the handbrake. This is one thing I like about it, the gear lever. It's very nice. And then on the screen too, what's the name? The speedometer. And it started to have it in the name where the wrong go. Very nice. The screen too. Inside this car is luxurious, like in fact it is luxurious. So if you want to press the shift the gear, just press this thing and bring it right. It's very fast. It's one of the smartest cars. Like it responds quickly, as in very fast. Most just like a BMW. Just like a BMW. These are some of the cars that, in fact, this very color is most people like it. Because even though it is a 4x4, it's a 7-seater. So you can see that there are other seats at the back. And it's spacious too. Very spacious. Look at this. This is on the seat. The seat you have your US HDMI and then aux cable over there. And you have a sunroof too. Just had this sound signal here.